I'm filming this intro about 3 months after filming the rest of the video. Also, I received those clothes like about a month and a half ago. So it's not up to date, but like the clothes are still all available online. I will link all the clothes in description. Also, I'm gonna link a promo code, two actually, from my friends. I have two friends that have a promo code for Yesstyle. So please use them. I don't know how many percent off it was, but I used one of those as well for my order and it helped. So have fun watching this. Okay, here we go. So first we have this cute ass crop top. It's a little bit see-through, but it's fine. And I was really scared it wouldn't fit my boobs, but it's absolutely perfect and so soft. Here we have a little skirt with a chain. The zipper is a little itchy, but for the rest it's absolutely perfect. Oh, this dress is absolutely amazing. It's really cute. The only problem I have with this, it's around the boobs. Like, I have big boobs for the body I have, okay? And I had to take the padding out and it's still really tight. But for the rest, absolutely amazing. This top, my dude, it's amazing. The only little problem I have is it's a little open, a little too high, so you see my bra sometimes, but it's amazing. It's soft, it's beautiful, it's perfect. I love it so much. So much. About those pants, I bought them and they smelled like chlor, like so bad. And like I washed them, but they're too big here because when I bought them, they were attached like I'm showing right now. And they were way too tight around the belly. Like if I sat down, it would explode. So I cut it out and I'm planning on DIYing it a little. So stay tuned for a video about that. But this cute beige top that I'm considering buying in every single color. Only problem again, like the booby area, but like we're used to that by now. But it's amazing, like so cute and so comfy. Those pants are hella comfortable. The only thing, if you're laying down on your side, you're gonna feel like the little buttons in your leg, but for the rest, very comfortable. Honestly, around the waist, it's amazing. I expected it to be or too tight or too loose, but it's perfect. The buttons open up till the end. I'm just not gonna show higher because underwear and stuff. But yeah, you can see my tattoo. Nice. And me being stupid. I knew this one wasn't gonna suit me, but for some reason I still bought it. Also, my boob is in the way, so the zipper is having a weird form. I actually am trying to sell it because I'm not gonna wear it, although it's really badass. These socks are one of my favorite purchases from this part. Honestly, really cute, really comfortable. Nothing else to add. This shirt is absolutely amazing, very comfortable, and it's a little bit oversized, which makes it even more comfortable. The only thing I have to say about it that is like kind of bad is the fact that it's maybe a little thick, so wearing it in summer is a no-no. This is very amazing. Like I needed some belts, okay? And butt cheek. So yeah, I needed belts, and this one can be adjustable like how you want it, and you can leave it hanging or you can tag it in to the things. Amazing. I needed belts, okay? And now I'm trying to become an e-girl. Maybe, who knows? But like they look cute. Look at me showing off the mechanics of like this chain. Like, oh look, you can even detach it and put it back. Wow, look at me. Am I now showing off my booty or the belt? We don't know. I bought this to wear under skirts, but it's very tight. I also bought a nude one, but it's very see-through. That's why I'm not wearing it. Ooh, stickers! Look how cute. Look at the designs. Look at the colors. They are absolutely amazing, perfect, cute as hell. And then they came in this little box. Very amazing. Also those, like, oh, little dinosaurs. Oh, so cute. Those are on my phone case, like, right now. They're amazing. I have to translate what they say on the Japanese one. I hope you had fun. I'll post a video every Sunday at 2 p.m. in GMT plus 2, I believe. Yeah, that's the Belgian time. So stay tuned. put the bell on, subscribe first maybe, and like the video.